Hello students, in previous video we have seen introduction of maths of standard 10. Now let us see maths first and its first lesson, linear equation in two variables. We have to see definition of linear equation in two variables. An equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is called linear equation in two variables. Already we have seen this definition in previous standard, that is in 9th standard also. That is an equation which contains two variables, that is we have to take suppose x and y, these two variables, and degree of each term containing that is 1, and therefore this equation is called as linear equation in two variables. So let us see general form of linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. Real numbers means you have to take positive, negative, integers, rational or irrational numbers, but the value of a and b not equal to 0. Therefore here value of a and b is not equal to 0. Let us see example. 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, and c, that is here minus c, is equal to 6. Similarly, second example, 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. So here variables we took m and n, and c power of m is 1, power means degree. Here also degree of n variable is 1. Therefore 4m plus 3n is equal to 12 is a linear equation in two variable m and n. Similarly, root 2x minus root 5y is equal to 16. Here we have taken two variables x and y, and here root 2 is irrational number, root 5 is also irrational number. So here degree of x and y is 1, therefore this is also linear equation in two variables x and y. Now let us see next point, simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equations. Let us see simultaneous linear equations, that is linear equation in two variables, by eliminating one variable. It means that two equation will be given and you have to eliminate any one variable of the two variables, and then find out one variable, and after that put the value of that variable in any one equation and find out another variable. So let us solve the following simultaneous equations. Example number 1, 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 3x plus y is equal to 2. So already we have seen these examples in standard 9, how to solve this equation by eliminating one variable. So consider 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, equation number 1. 3x plus y is equal to equation number 2. Now see here in equation 1, coefficient of x is 5, and here in equation number 2, coefficient of x is 3. Both are different coefficient of variable x. So here coefficient of y is minus 3, and in second equation coefficient of y is 1. So here one variable and its coefficient should be same, so we can say with different sign. So multiplying equation 2 by 3, then we will get here plus 3y. Therefore multiplying to equation 2 by 3, 3 3s are 9x plus 3 into y is equal to 3 2s are 6. That is, we got new required equation number 3. 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now we have to consider equation number 1 and 3. So here in equation number 1, here minus 3y is there, and in equation 3 plus 3y is there. So same variable with same coefficient with different sign. Therefore, adding equations 1 and 3. Therefore, 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, and equation number 9, that is 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. Therefore, here plus 3y and minus 3y get cancelled, that is plus 3 minus 3 0, that is get cancelled. Now addition of 5 plus 9. 9 plus 5, that is 14x is equal to 8 plus 6, that is 14. Now here 14 is multiplied to x, therefore we can shift this value to right hand side, therefore 14 upon 14, and 14 ones are 14, therefore x is equal to 1. Now here we got x is equal to 1, therefore put x is equal to 1 in equation. You can choose any one equation, 1, 2 or 3. So we can put the value of x in equation 2. Equation 2, therefore 3x plus y is equal to 2. Therefore 3, put the value of x, that is 1, plus y is equal to 2. And therefore 3 into 1, that is 3, plus y is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to, after shifting this value to right hand side, 2 minus 3, that is 1. Y is equal to minus 1. And therefore here we got the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Therefore xy, that is, here x means 1 and y is equal to minus 1, is the solution of given simultaneous equations. So don't forget to write this example in your notebook. So here we eliminate y and we found the value of x, and after that we put the value of x is equal to 1 in equation 2, and therefore we got y is equal to minus 1. Therefore xy is equal to 1 minus 1 is the solution of this given simultaneous equation. Let us see another example in next video. Bye, take care.